Today I will show you how we can cover dark circles, acne spots and pigmentations with proper use of color correctors. Let's start. First, I am prepping my skin using a moisturizer from Pond's. It's very important to create a smooth surface to work with. Using a lip mask from Just Herbs, I am moisturizing my lips as well. Then I am using a peach color corrector from Sugar Cosmetics, which is their peach precedent, to neutralize my dark circles. Color correctors are meant for neutralizing dark and pigmented areas or reddish acne. So it's totally pointless to add a ton of them or paint our face. We will just add a tiny bit and not like a concealer, just to neutralize our dark areas. I have some dark marks at side of my face and corner of my mouth and over my nose. If the dark circles are too dark, we can add orange or even darker shade of red correctors. And also if you have a deeper complexion than mine. But absolutely not your orange lipstick or red. But keep in mind, while using correctors, less is a lot more. I am taking Jade Jockey from Sugar Cosmetics. I am taking a very little, you can barely see some. Generally, we don't need the green correctors, but in case of active acne and redness or rosacea, we can use it, but in milder cases, a good coverage foundation and concealer can cover up. Using a loose powder on the areas I have color corrected, I am very lightly dusting it so that it doesn't mix with the other products. Here I am dotting my foundation all over my face and my neck. I am mixing two foundations, one from Lakme 9 to 5 in shade 180 Warm Natural. Another one is from Maybelline Fit Me foundation in shade Toffee to get my proper shade. Then using a damp sponge, I am bouncing it against my skin and not using a brush, as it can pull out the color corrector we have just used and it can look a bit orangish. I am not using it under my eyes. It can cause creasing as it can add up layers. Then taking little concealer, I am covering the dark pigmented areas and also my acne and blending with my fingers. Then to set everything, I am using K-Beauty loose powder in shade Vanilla again. Then, to take off the excess makeup which is actually not needed, I am blotting my face with the toilet paper. We can also use a tissue paper. Then, to finish up my makeup, I am filling my eyebrows with Miss Clear eyebrow pencil. Then, curling my lashes, I am using Myglamm Twist It Mascara. In my daily makeup, I don't apply eyeshadow or contour my face, but I religiously use blush to bring back color to my face. I am using a blush palette from Cups and Lashes and using this color to the highest point of my cheeks, on my chin, bridge of the nose and also the upper part of my forehead. And for my lips, I am using a liquid lipstick from Myglamm, which is their lit lipstick in shade Swinger. Then spraying a setting spray to melt the powders and look flawless. This one's from L'Oreal Infallible. It's their Pro Spray and Set Makeup Extender Setting Spray. I am attaching a daylight clip apart from the studio lightings. That's it for today. See ya!